Okay guys, so it's been about 2 weeks since I last uploaded, and that's because I've been on holiday just reflecting where I want to take this channel, where I want to take my agency and all that good stuff. But this video isn't about me, it's about you. So during these past few months since I've started this channel, I've been receiving a few emails, DMs, very specific DMs about setting up an Upwork account, getting results for clients, what to do during the meetings. All these questions have come. So what I've decided to do is do a month-long transformational mentorship. So that's just to take you from absolute zero to basically hero, or more so understanding the platform, getting your first client and really sending you off to the races so you can build a long-term sustainable business. Now, after this intro, I'm going to be taking you through the mentorship, just explaining what's involved, the benefits and everything like that. So stay tuned after the intro. Right guys, now this is the month-long transformational mentorship. There's going to be a link below in the description so you can actually see the exact page I'm on. Now, step one is to watch the entire video. This will outline what to expect from the mentorship, but also what it will include. Now, please don't be that person who books a call without watching the entire video, because I will know. And unfortunately, if you actually book a call without watching the entire video, you'll miss out a little something which I will know you haven't watched the video, so I will be unlikely to jump on the call. So please watch it. There's a reason I've created this video, so you understand what to expect. Now, once you've watched the video, step two is where you schedule the call. Now, once you schedule the call, it's not going to be a coaching call. It's just going to be 15 minutes where I'm going to ask you a few questions and just to see whether you're in the position to really go through with this mentorship, because I don't want to really put you into something that isn't going to benefit you in the long term. I'd rather work with someone who I know is ready for the mentorship and is willing to work. So just a heads up there, I don't have a lot of time because of my clients, so I'm going to be pretty selective with who I work with when it comes to mentoring. Now, just to give you a bit of an insight with what to expect in the month-long mentorship, week one, we're going to be setting you up for success on Upwork, I like to call it, and just going over the ins and out of what to do when it comes to outreach and booking meetings and who to outreach. Week two, I'm going to be giving you two powerful scripts, essentially, to Instagram growth, which is more of a lower ticket service, and Facebook ads, a more higher ticket service, and my exact onboarding for each of these services, so you know exactly what to do once you close the deal. Week three, this is really important, because if you don't do this, you're not going to keep your client longer than probably a month or even a few weeks. And it's going over servicing the client, getting results for the client when it comes to Instagram and Facebook. And if you can't service them or you wouldn't want to, then I'm going to show you how you can outsource it to someone else who can actually do it for you. Now, week four is about going over the systems and the scaling process. So essentially with this, once you reach about 5 clients or more, it's pretty hard to do a lot by yourself. So you need to build your systems, you need to build a team, and you just need to know what to do when it comes to scaling with more clients. So this is just all about streamlining your agency. But the week that is my favorite is week 3, because you got to remember, we're in the service-based business, so you have to deliver great results for your clients. That's what it's all about. So even if it costs a bit more to get a pro instead of you doing it, it's going to have to be done, because in the long term, you'll be better off. Now, here's just a few testimonials with people I've worked with closely, and I've helped with Upwork with other little things. Now, it's going to cost $400 for the first 5 students. And I was thinking to price it higher at one point, because I do have clients. I don't want to neglect my clients. But I put it like this to make it affordable still for the first 5. But after that, be pretty hard to really dedicate enough time and to really give you the best mentorship I can possibly give you. So here I'll put benefits as well. A lot of the reasons people love Upwork is you don't have to cold call, which I love also, because everyone's warm on the platform. So they're essentially looking for a service. So all it really is you making sure you're the person they go to, if that makes sense. Job invitations. Now, luckily I'm in the position where people invite me to their jobs instead of me outreaching all the time. So we're going to be looking to build up your profile so you're in that position as well. Work entirely from home. Now this one I really love because you can outreach, you can close, and you can service your client all from your room if you really want to. A lot of the times I hear maybe other people need to meet the client. You can do all your calls virtually, you can schedule everything virtually. So one of the reasons I love it. And I've also put there, well, you can work from home or your sofa or your bed, essentially. Long-term model. Now, this is one thing I'm going to talk about in future videos, but clients do unfortunately come and go. Rarely will you have clients for years upon years upon years, unless you're a mega agency, big agency, which most of us are not. And one thing we have to try and do is build up enough reputation where we can have clients coming in. So just to give you an example, I had a client for going on to 6 months plus, but then he brought in marketing in-house, which unfortunately we had to end the relationship there, but he was an awesome guy. And that's just how it goes sometimes. So you need to keep your pipeline full, and Upwork is a great platform where clients can come to you. And it's long term. Once you've built the actual profile, you've built the profile, essentially. Free marketing. Now, Upwork is the largest freelance platform on the planet. They're constantly marketing to get more clients on board. Why is that good? Because all these clients that join are looking for specific services. And if they're looking for Facebook ads, Instagram, then you're in the direct firing line to receive these clients. So essentially just click through this link here. Watch the entire video, by the way. Please do that. And you'll be led to this page where you can schedule a time with me. And like I said, really appreciate all of you. So leave a like if you want. Comment below any questions. And if you do want help and you do want to be mentored, click that link again, schedule time, and I'll be looking forward to our call. Take care, guys.